Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Do you hate it when your headlights go yellowish like this one here? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop this from occurring. So as you can see on my vehicle here, I've got one headlight which is looking pretty faded, awful and yellowish, and the other headlight which is actually looking really good. Some would say like new, and that's because 4 years ago, I started an experiment where I put a protective layer of coating on this headlight, but I didn't do it on this one, and look at the results. So for 4 years, I've been using Plexus to put a protective coating on this headlight about every 6 months. Now Plexus was developed for fighter aircraft to protect the plexiglass canopies. And what it does, it puts a protective layer of coating and it gets into those pores and it stops the UV light damaging the headlights and causing them to go yellow and all awful like the other one. So right now, I'm going to show you how to use Plexus on your headlight to permanently stop it from fading. So it's actually really simple. All you do is spray it on and then you buff it off with a clean microfiber cloth. Now if you want, you can do this a couple of times. So that's all I've done, folks. On this side of the vehicle, I've applied the Plexus every 6 months and polished it off, whereas this side, I've just left it. Now I'm going to have to polish this lens out or replace it completely, but with a little bit of Plexus, you don't have this problem at all, and it really is that easy. So if you like this video, folks, on how to stop your headlight from permanently going yellow like this one by using Plexus, then do hit that like button. And if you're interested in DIY around the home or on vehicles, we've got the Mercedes, the Audi, the early Ford Falcon on the channel, then do hit that subscribe button. But until next time, have a good evening.